10% off for smartwatch on Amazon 2023. Number 3. Guess Classic Slim Stainless Steel Bracelet Watch. The Guess Classic Slim Stainless Steel Bracelet Watch embodies elegance and sophistication in its design. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this timepiece merges timeless style with modern functionality. The watch features a sleek stainless steel bracelet that exudes refinement and durability, ensuring both comfort and resilience in daily wear. Its slim profile lends an air of understated sophistication, making it suitable for various occasions, from formal events to casual outings. The dial is a testament to minimalist charm, showcasing a clean, uncluttered face adorned with classic hour markers and hands. The simplicity of its design adds to its versatility, effortlessly complementing any attire or style preference. Additionally, the scratch-resistant mineral crystal protects the watch face, enhancing its longevity and maintaining its pristine appearance over time.
Number 2. Guess Ladies 38mm Watch. The Guess Ladies 38mm watch is a stunning timepiece that embodies elegance and style. With a sleek 38mm case size, this watch strikes the perfect balance between sophistication and functionality, catering to the modern woman's fashion-forward sensibilities. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this watch features a variety of designs, ranging from classic stainless steel bracelets to chic leather straps, all tailored to complement different tastes and outfits. The dial designs often showcase a mix of bold yet refined elements. The Guess Ladies 38mm watch isn't just a timekeeping accessory, it's a statement piece that exudes confidence and sophistication. It effortlessly transitions from day to night, complementing both casual and formal attire, making it a versatile and essential addition to any woman's accessory collection.
Number 1. Guess Stainless Steel Crystal Embellished Bracelet Watch. The Guess Stainless Steel Crystal Embellished Bracelet Watch is a stunning blend of elegance and functionality. Crafted with precision and style in mind, this timepiece seamlessly merges sophistication with modern design. Featuring a stainless steel bracelet, this watch boasts durability and a sleek, polished look. The metalwork exudes a timeless appeal, making it suitable for various occasions, whether it's a formal gathering or a casual outing. What sets this watch apart is its crystal embellishments, delicately placed to add a touch of glamour and luxury. The dial design is often sleek and minimalist, allowing the crystals to take center stage, yet maintaining readability with clear hour markers and hands. The incorporation of a date display or additional subdials might further enhance its functionality, catering to various preferences.